How do you replace a neutral safety switch? If you have been experiencing issues with your truck or 18-wheeler not starting in gear, it might be time to replace the neutral safety switch. This switch is essential for safety, preventing the engine from starting unless the transmission is in neutral or park. Let's walk through the steps to replace this important component. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. For larger trucks, make sure to chock the wheels to prevent any movement. Safety is key, so take your time here. Next, you will need to raise the front of the vehicle. Use a floor jack and jack stands to lift it securely. Always double-check that the vehicle is stable before you start working underneath. Now, open the hood and disconnect the negative battery cable. This step is crucial to avoid any accidental starts while you are working on the switch. Locate the neutral safety switch, which is typically found on the driver's side of the transmission. Sometimes, it may be covered by a plastic panel or have a cable attached to it. Once you find the switch, carefully unplug the electrical connector. Make sure to handle it gently to avoid damaging the connector. If your truck has a shifter linkage attached to the switch, you will need to remove it. Look for a nut or bolt holding it in place and take it off. Now, grab your wrench or socket and loosen the bolts that secure the switch to the transmission. These bolts are usually either 10 mm or 12 mm in size. After removing the bolts, gently pull the old switch away from the transmission. Pay attention to how it is oriented, as this will help you align the new switch correctly. Take the new switch and align it with the transmission shaft. Slide it into place and ensure it is seated properly. Once the new switch is in position, replace the mounting bolts and tighten them securely. If you removed the shifter linkage earlier, reattach it to the new switch now. Next, plug the electrical connector back into the new switch. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable to the battery post. Before you finish, it is important to test the switch. Start the engine to ensure it only cranks when the transmission is in neutral or park. Replacing a neutral safety switch is a straightforward task that can significantly improve your truck's performance and safety. Regular maintenance of this switch can prevent unexpected issues down the road. Always consult your vehicle's manual for specific details and follow safety precautions during the process.